Shreya? Shreya, come here.
Yes, Daddy, I am coming. Oh no. Which page I was reading? Hey guys, I'm Shreya. Welcome back to my channel, Assistant My Family. And today's topic is so interesting. Can you guess what it would be? If you had been guessed, then go down to the comments and give your comment. So guys, today's topic is bookmarks. A bookmark is thin maker commonly made of card, leather or fabric used to keep a reader's place in a book and to enable them to easily return to it. Alternate materials for bookmarks are paper, metals like silver and brass, silk, wood, gold and plastics. I will use nail papers to make it. I have prepared some examples in white paper. We need scissors, some sketch pens, scale, pencil and don't use these crayons because crayons will left stains on books. So don't use this. And I will explain you step by step. So let's begin. Step first. Cut the paper in a 12 cm by 12 cm square. Then divide it into 4 equal parts as shown. Cut out the part shaded with pencil. Then draw a line here and here. Now cut from here and here. Be your final cut, and first fold this part by the line like this and paste here only some glue and spread it. Now press the other side on it. Like this. And your first graph is ready. Add some details to beautify your bookmark. Here we will draw smiley with tongue out emoji. Let's draw with colorful sketch pens. First, I am going to color the eyes. lashes, now to the mouth, and we will paint the tongue with the red color. And we are done. If glue is not handy, then use this method. First, fold like this. Then, now do the beautification. And guys, these bookmarks can be made in all shapes, sizes and colors and are perfect gifts for children, family members, parents and friends also. Do you know how to use this? Wait, I will tell you. If you read the book till this page and you have to stop now, then just you have to keep the bookmark and here, like this. If you like the video, click on like button and also give a comment. Please share this video with your friends and family and subscribe this channel. Thank you.
Sketch में 70.